This is a quick little tip video on this Peterson universal trailer light kit. I have a smaller trailer, it's 10 feet long, but it is 80 inches a little bit, so I got the marker lights on it. And the tip I have, because I noticed on the marker lights inside here, you can't see it, but they actually tin the wire that goes in, because it's supposed to slip in and get stuck on these little tabs right here. Let's see if I can show you a little tab right there's little tabs. But what happens is if you don't tin it, so I tinned one and pushed it in. This is, when I say tin it, I mean, you know, solder. So strip it and then put some solder on it like that. And then when you push it in, let's see if I could see, if you could see it. There's just right at the top, right? I'm not gonna be able to show you. Right up in here, the end of my thumb is where the tin comes up, and then what happened was I pushed it down with a little screwdriver and it's locked in pretty good. This is one I tried without, and see what happens is you can push the tab from behind on the lower part. There's a little pinhole below the green wire, and you can open these up, but what happens is if you open too much, they lose their tension and then it's just not going to work right. So the way it's set up now, it's very snug, and that's what you want for longevity on, you know, these lights, because putting them in there and not tinning them like that, you'll get a bad connection, they'll move around. It's not good that way. I'm going to show you one other thing too, is I went ahead and used the white ground wire. I went ahead and drilled through, and I put a big clamp on the plastic thing, and then on the inside of that with a lock washer, I have the white ground wire with a round connector on it, and that's tightened down. So I got a really good ground, and then it's got that little hoop on it that's sucking it down too, so you can't pull it out, you know. And then also, one last thing is, a lot of times when they build these trailers, they just pop a hole in it with a torch. So I went ahead and used the drill bit a little bit and cleaned it up and then put in like a fuel line, you know, so it doesn't, I taped it too to give it a little, but that way, you know, before I've had this trailer was forever until I had a fire in the area, and the lights would always work and not work anyway. So I'm redoing all the wiring. So, all right, have a good day. Hope you, this video helps you with the universal trailer lighting for the Peterson brand I got, which is only like 30 bucks, so it's not too bad. It says it's made in the USA too. So, all right, take care.